Never denied that I have a project hoarding problem.
My husband made this beautiful bench out of his childhood bed frame. We had it in my booth at the antique mall for a while and noticed that the wood underneath had started to split just a tiny bit, and we weren't comfortable selling it like that. So when this black trunk started showing signs of the veneer snapping off at the base, we knew we needed to do something to get it up off the ground a little bit.
Here's the lid to that bench that B made. The thing is, my hoarding pays off often enough to encourage it to continue happening. These are the bedposts on that bed. Like this guy, you can tell the finial, he was the top of it. I saw a friend make Christmas ornaments out of something like this. So that's why I had them save them. But it has turned into a much better situation than I thought.
I painted the feet in DIY Paints Black Velvet. That's what the bench was painted in too. And then I sealed them with DIY Paints Big Top, which is a nice strong sealer. You can find both of those on my website at purplemonkeymanor.com. There were 2 running boards on the bottom of the trunk, so we placed each of the 4 feet up against the running board and then pulled them in an inch or 2 from the front or the back. Then Brian marked the placement of each foot, drilled a pilot hole, and then attached the feet from inside the trunk. It's amazing to me how dressed up this trunk is by just attaching 4 little feet made out of something that was going to be discarded.